If today is dydd Mercher, what day is it?
Dydd Mawrth.
Yes, Wednesday, well done. If tomorrow is dydd Iau, what day of the week would that be? Thursday, yes. Who can tell me what day of the week is dydd Sadwrn?
Saturday.
Yes, Beryl, well done. Well done, that deserves it. Oh, yes it does, well done. Da iawn. So we started Welsh Wednesday, again as a result of a residents' meeting. We all live in Wales and some of us can't speak Welsh. So what are we going to do about it? So they decided then that we can do some Welsh classes. What we learn is we go through things that we all learned in school as children. The days of the week, the months of the year, numbers, and greetings, simple greetings. And then we celebrate being Welsh as well with songs.
The residents, I've got to be honest, are fantastic at learning Welsh, and it does really sink in, and words that they don't even know that they've remembered come back. Obviously some of them do actually know Welsh, it's just sometimes they do forget, so then when we do actually speak about it, it does come flooding back. Afterwards, when we doing things or whatnot, or even if we're around the dining table, some of the residents will speak little words to one another.
It's a lovely feeling. You can communicate. Do you know what I mean? I mean, it's something to be proud of.
Definitely.
To speak your own language, surely.
I was encouraged by one of the ladies to take a course in Welsh with the Open University.
Wow.
And I did it and I passed it. Well, I got a certificate for it.
Yeah.
And after I did it, being jealous of Welsh, other people thought they could do it as well. So they're going to do it as well.
Well, it is unusual. I haven't come across it previously in my career. But this isn't an ordinary care home. You know, they do sort of try to push the boundaries here. And there's a lot of creative thinking that goes around in how we cater for our residents, both in terms of cultural needs, educational needs. You're never too old to learn. So I don't see that as being, unusual. Probably it would be nice if it became the norm for a lot of other care homes as well.
As a result of Welsh Wednesdays, we formed a choir called Ty Gwynno. And we performed in the National Eisteddfod.
Phenomenal. We went down to the Eisteddfod. We we did practice as soon as we come off the bus, to be honest. So we sat down in Ponty Town and we had a little practice of Calon Lan, and then when we went down there, we went in one of the tents and sang, and I think afterwards then all the residents were so hyped up. I think we had a shandy after, and it was just a fantastic day.
I didn't expect it to be so busy.
Really?
We had a lovely day, we did, and as it happened in Wales, it didn't rain.
People of this generation were denied opportunities with the Welsh language through the education process. Therefore, they grow up and they feel terribly Welsh, very, very, what's the word I'm looking for? They're Welsh through and through, and yet they feel sometimes as if they're regarded as being not proper Welsh because they don't speak the language. And so, you know, and coming to the end of your life, to be given that opportunity, you know, to speak some Welsh and to learn some Welsh and to indulge in the Welsh culture, yeah, I think it is probably good for their well-being. And we will stay